all went away, nigga. I only took one drag. So much fun, man.
You can't wheelie it for sure. That was a nice wheelie I did out of there, though.
Yo, you gotta hold the clutch when you're coming around, like, towards me, you know what I'm saying? That was my problem, too. It's hard to do a 360.
You just get the momentum.
Nah, it's hard, because it's coming, it's the
See, you couldn't do what I did coming in the driveway like that, huh?
I know, I couldn't get it.
You're going too slow.
Oh, don't... Actually, that's probably not even burning your tires because it's wet.
Nah, it still is. They're numb. Dude, my tires are kind of worn down.
Dude, that's so much fun in the rain. I never did that before.
Oh yeah, it's fun when it's a little bit of snow. Way better. Donuts for days, good.
See? Your car's wicked quiet. I don't think they call it cars.
Yeah, it's still loud. When I was dipping, it's loud.
Nah, not really. It's quiet.
Yeah, but the neighbors still call when they come by. If we're in my driveway, we're straight, but can't get straight. Not even to turn around, you know?
You gotta